finalists in our great school curry cook-off. Sally, Rahani and Albert are competing for the huge prize of a special guest appearance on the exciting TV show Junior Master Cook. And the judges say Albert's curry has earned him a score of 11 out of a possible 15 points. Now it's Sally's turn to have her curry judged.
Oh, go Sally! Oh, Sally is cooking my recipe, you know. She is going to win for sure.
Can Sally's sleuthing find the clues to good cooking? Well, here's the evidence. Ha 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 ha! Sally scores 11 too, same as Albert. Now, Rahani, your turn. Remember, folks, Rahani was last year's runner-up to Martin. Rahani's certainly the one to beat this year, but can he score better than the other two contestants?
Is Rahani's cooking really that good, Jasmine? My brother is the best cook ever. I should know. He cooks for our family every night.
Okay. Rahani's food must be terrific.
Inedible.
God, my food has been sabotaged.
Well, I think it's a good thing they're going to rerun the cook-off final. Give you more time to perfect my curry recipe.
But Mr. Shoebridge won't restage the final until we find out who sabotaged Rahani's curry.
Will you worry about that, Doowee?
Me?
Sally needs to concentrate on her cooking. Keep practicing. You have to win.
Well, I guess I could run Rahani's curry through my gas mass spectrometer to see what anomalies are in its elemental profile.
You mean you'll find out what was used to sabotage Rahani's dish?
Well, that's what I said. But I don't think I can run the whole investigation on my own.
Don't worry, I'm going to investigate too. Doowee, we're a team, remember? Besides, I'd rather investigate than cook any day.
Why don't you tell Mrs. Apu that you don't like cooking? Then she won't keep pushing you into these competitions.
Well, have you seen her when she gives you that look? Besides, if I win, it'll make her happy. Now, who would have motive to destroy Rahani's chances of winning?
You mean apart from you and Mrs. Apu?
Be serious. I can only think of one person.
Albert!
Albert, yours.
Hi, Albert. Oh, sorry. I didn't know you played rugby.
I don't, but I'm trying out. Maybe this'll be a way to shake my whole thigh of geek image. Hey, geek, what can you do with this? Watch me!
Hey, Sally! I found something really interesting.
Wow.
It's a graph showing the chemical breakdown of Rahani's curry. See that wiggle? It's a chili pepper where there should be a sweet pepper.
Whoever sabotaged Rahani's curry replaced mild sweet pepper with extra hot chili. No wonder it tasted so bad.
And look, the chili in the curry is chemically different from the chili used at the school cafeteria.
So if we can match the chili in Albert's house with the chili that ruined Rahani's curry, then we can link Albert to the crime.
But how are we going to get the chili from Albert's house?
Leave it to me.
Why do you need this extra strong chili to teach me Indian martial arts?
Chili is part of the Kalarapayat tradition. You sprinkle it around for good energy.
And this Kalarapayat will definitely change my image?
Oh, definitely. You just need to be able to do this. Hi-ya! Sha!
Right. Hi-ya!
Are you all right?
Listen, thanks for your help, Sally, but I've decided to concentrate on winning the cooking competition.
You're jumpy this morning. Did you get a match to the chili?
Yes.
Attention, school. The producers of Junior Master Cook have just told me that they need a winner of the curry cook-off by the day after tomorrow. So, I will have no choice, unless I have the name of the curry saboteur by the end of tomorrow, but to hand the prize of guest appearance on Junior Master Cook to Martin, last year's winner.
Well, we've got the name now. The chili I got from Albert's house matches the chili used to ruin Rahani's curry, right?
Wrong. I've got a match, but it's not with Albert.
No, it can't be. It's got to be a mistake.
I ran another test using the chili I found in your kitchen. Chili left by Mrs. Arpoo. It's a perfect match.
Sally, you can't win if you expect the curry to stir itself. Is there something on your mind?
No, nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing about chili even entered my head.
Chili?
So, cooking. It's tricky, isn't it? Sometimes you make the wrong choices. Do something you regret.
You mean like too much spice? Ask your father about the time it happened to me with my chicken tandoori. He certainly regretted it.
Yes, too much spice. Or adding chili instead of sweet peppers.
Sally, if you're trying to get around to asking me if I sabotaged Rahani's curry, then the answer is no. I didn't substitute Rahani's sweet peppers with extra hot chili.
What? No. How did you...
Out of the blue, Doowee asked me where I buy my chili. I scared the rest out of him.
So where do you get your chili?
From a mysterious building full of wondrous things called the supermarket.
So it could have been any one of 1,000 people who sabotaged Rahani's curry. Oh, that's great news. Well, in one way.
Harry Bollywood, do you know your daughter thinks I could cheat in a silly cooking competition?
I didn't want to believe it, but the evidence...
Well, you were very keen to win that competition. That is what we call motive. And
Sometimes I wonder if I even know this family.
Poor Mrs. Arpoo. I think I've really hurt her.
If only that chili had led us to someone else. But now we have thousands of suspects and time is running out.
Maybe there's another way we can use the chili to catch the culprit.
Don't worry, Sally and Doowee. This conversation is in the strictest confidence.
Mr. Shoebridge, we would like permission to take a sample of the chili used in Rahani's cooking from the cafeteria after school today.
Why, Sally and Doowee? What do you hope to find?
That chili will have a unique chemical structure, which we can use to find the person who sabotaged Rahani's curry.
Permission granted. 4 bananas, 1 pineapple.
Wrote it on the back of a shopping list.
Is this bluff really going to work? I mean, we've already analysed the chili and it got us nowhere.
But whoever ruined Rahani's curry doesn't know that. If I were them, I'd want to break in here and get rid of any... Hold it right there! Doowee, hit the lights! No, Doowee, the lights!
They're not labelled!
Gone! That was our only chance to catch them.
Is this who you're looking for?
Mrs. Arpoo?
Let me go! You don't understand! Let me go! Don't you know it's impolite to shout?
Sorry.
I caught her running away out of here. I heard the broadcast and put 2 and 2 together.
How? But why are you even here?
I came to look for you, Sally. To say sorry. I realized I was pushing you to do something that would make me happy, not you.
And I'm sorry I could ever have suspected you.
But why did you sabotage Rahani? He's your own brother.
Yeah! Ow! And I do it again!
But why, Jasmine?
Because I didn't want Rahani to win. He might become famous on TV and not have time to cook for us at home. We would never eat as a family anymore.
And the winner of the restaged final of the Great School Curry Cook-Off with a new and improved curry recipe and soon to be a famous guest star on Junior Master is... used to be science geek but now cool TV personality, Albert!
Well done, Albert.
Thank you for not winning.
Oh, but I tried, Jasmine. Albert's curry was just better than mine. But There's always next year. But even if I do win, I'll always be there for the family. And you.
Mr. Shoebridge says it's time for you to make up for your actions.
I know what I have to do.
What? No shouting?
I don't shout anymore. I've changed.
Oh, don't throw that out. That dish came third in a cooking competition.
Third out of 3 competitors. I think I'll stick to investigating.
Not so fast. May I taste your recipe?
If you like, it's apricot, marmite, and jelly bean madras.
I think your choice to stick with investigating is a good one.
Sally brings us up to